What's up, everybody? Today we're talking about camera accessories for your smartphone. Let's do it. So I think that we can all agree that one of the best feelings in the world is receiving mail that isn't junk. Yesterday that happened to me. I got a package from photojojo.com and inside were 3 iPhone camera lenses. I say iPhone because I have an iPhone, but these camera lenses work on any smartphone and actually a lot more than that, and I'm gonna show you right now. So once I got the package, I decided to open it up, obviously, and on the outside was a sticker that said, "Warning, this shipment may contain a stowaway-asaurus." I was like, okay, I have no idea. I didn't order anything to do with dinosaurs, so I opened it up. Inside were 3 boxes. Fisheye lens. We had a telephoto lens, which is like a zoom lens, and a wide angle and macro. But also, which may explain the sticker, was a little tiny dinosaur. Still don't quite get it, but they ship toy dinosaurs with their products. That's sweet. So I'm gonna put these lenses to the test today to show you their capabilities and whether or not it's a good deal. So first things first, right when you get it, you open it up and they come with these little metal rings. You have to put a magnetic metal washer around your camera lens. It's small, it fits on almost every iPhone case, and it's got a little adhesive that really can come off no problem. You stick it on the outside, and then what you do is these lenses have magnets, and then all you do is you stick it onto the metal washer, like that. This right here is the wide angle. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit before and after shots with my phone right now. Standard selfie. Right there. But with the wide angle, I'm gonna show you how much more you can get in there. This is good for if you're at like a sporting event or you're at a party where people can't really get like all close together. They might be stuck in a line or something. This is good for that because check this out. That was still same arm length. Let's see this. So you can see there's way more differences in this photo. You got the shark in the top corner and you have like a little bit of my wooden string art in the other side. When you go over, you get almost the entire wall. You do get the entire wall. You get the window and also you get my green chair. So that's the wide angle lens. I'm gonna show you with video what the wide angle lens looks like as well. So this is standard. That's wide angle. So I'll be able to see after how much more it gets, but I'm pretty sure it's a lot more. Another good use for all of these lenses is the iPad camera, the iSight camera on any MacBook, for Skype, for FaceTime. This thing will make it so you can see a lot more than just like a narrow field of view. Next up, the macro. So the way the macro lens works is it's actually attached to the wide angle. You just have to unscrew it, and then there's the macro. Macro is for extremely close. You can get textures of curtains, money, trees, grass, any sort of material. The macro will get up really close. Here's an example right now. So this is the iPhone camera again, and this is how close you can get, and it won't refocus. I think the closest focus point you can get is like right there. But when you put on the macro lens, you can go way close and you can get the texture of the money. You can get an Illuminati Instagram photo. You can see, damn, you can see like the fibers in this money. So it's kind of like a magnifying glass. But you can also see, I'm pointing this at myself right now, and you can't see anything because it's very blurry. That's why you don't really use the macro for anything other than close-ups. Now, if you're a type of Instagrammer where you like texture or very close-up stuff, or you even want to play games with your friends, which are like, guess this thing, guess this object, the macro lens is really good for that because it gets extremely close. So close, in fact, you can't even see a lot of the materials that the macro picks up with your naked eye. Next up, we got the fisheye. Now, if you're an amateur skateboarder, this is perfect for you because fisheye lenses are insanely expensive and the iPhone camera is insanely awesome. So why not just get this lens and shoot your skate videos with this? So there's the fisheye. The fisheye is a single lens. It doesn't come with any other attachments. You pop that on and it gets pretty much like 180, almost like a GoPro. If you don't want to invest in a GoPro or you don't want to invest in a super expensive fisheye lens, you can get this one for $20 on photojojo.com and it works just the same. Check it out. So there is my clothes, pictures, bed, but then right when you put on the fisheye, you are getting a lot more. You're getting this, all of this, you're getting all of that, Also, the thing about the fisheye lens is you are gonna get a little bit of like warping on the sides. Obviously, it's a part of the fisheye effect, but this is video. So the thing about the iPhone camera is that it crops its image when it goes into video mode. So you can kind of see a little like vignette around the sides, but when you go into photo mode, you're gonna notice it a lot more. Check it out. Here's a standard photo on the iPhone, and now here's a selfie with the fisheye. This lens is gonna get the maximum amount of people in it that you possibly can get in. Next up, the telephoto lens. This one is probably the least effective out of all of them, but let's give it a shot. This is 2x telephoto, which means it's kind of a zoom lens. Yes, you can already zoom in on your iPhone or smartphone, but this is just gonna make it so you can zoom in even further. So let's give it a shot. So this is no lens on the iPhone. This is gonna be the 2x telephoto lens. So you can see it doesn't do too much, but it will make it so you can zoom in even closer. Those are the 4 lenses that I got in the mail for my smartphone. I absolutely love these items. You can get them all. Each of those lenses are $20 each on photojojo.com. But if you use Danocracy14 before January 10th, you'll get $5 off, so they're really only $15 each. I'm not getting any sort of kickback. I don't want you guys to think that. You'll get them for $15 if you get them before January 10th. Now, tons of other uses for these lenses. They come with 3 metal magnets for each lens, so you can put one on your iPhone, your iPad, and even your iMac. It is the holiday season, so maybe somebody with a smartphone who takes a lot of Instagrams or photos, you can get them the wide-angle macro lens, or even a skateboarder. If you have a brother, sister that skateboards, get them a fisheye. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Those lenses are very cool gadgets for your smartphone. That was from photojojo.com. Now, if these aren't necessarily for you or you already have lenses, PhotoJojo has tons of mobile gadgets, camera gadgets, all at a very affordable price. I'm not getting paid by them whatsoever. This is just a website that I use a lot. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.